Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to watch Love Island All Stars everywhere, from the US, Europe, anywhere. If you're not in UK, I will give you all the steps to watch Love Island live, or you can also watch all the episodes. So the channel that broadcasts Love Island All Stars is ITV, which is a UK channel, and if we want to access to their website where there is a live and all the episodes, it will not work because we are outside of the UK. But the solution is to use a VPN. I will leave you the one I use in the description below. It's ExpressVPN and it works on iPad, iPhone, Mac, Windows computers, Android phones, so it works everywhere. And for this demonstration, I am on my iPad. So once you launch ExpressVPN, you select this button to show all the servers, and you just have to select United Kingdom, and it will change your virtual location in UK. So ITV will think that we are in UK. So now you go to your browser and you type ITV. I will leave you the link of the website. So we are going to the website of the channel. You're going to click on accept. You're going to click on the person here, the button. So then you have to enter your email address to sign in or to register. So I'm going to sign up with you to show you, but I already have an account. Now you enter your password. Next. Next. So in postcode, you will enter London postcode. Let's type, for example, London Nike, and we will find on maps like London Central. And for example, this will be our postcode because we have to put a UK location, and then we can paste it here and remove this. Perfect. Next. Okay, and so now you just have to check your email and to click on the confirmation email. Okay, so here is the confirmation email, and we click on accept and done. So we click on continue, and then here you see Love Island All Stars. So you select it, and as you can see, you can watch already the episode 1 from 2 days ago, and there will be more episodes below. Let's show you that it works. Let's click on here. If you have this message, just select cancel and then select watch now. You have to click a second time. Okay, so as you can see, it's working well and the quality is nice. And as you can see, we don't have any problem of buffering. So that's a very good way. I will show you that on my computer with ExpressVPN, it also works. So once you have finished, you can simply quit and go back to ExpressVPN and disconnect the VPN. And every time you want to watch the live or also the episodes like we did, you can connect the VPN to the UK. So we'll leave you the link of ExpressVPN in the description with a discount. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you later for a new video. Bye.